Salam alaikum! I'm Hamna, your little Sunnah chef buddy. I'm so excited to make something fun.
Making our very own little chef hat. It's super easy.
Yay! My chef hat is ready. Next time, I'm making yummy popsicles with dates. Don't miss it. You're ready to cook with me in our next Sunnah chef's recipe? Stay tuned, little chefs.